Oh, yeah. We have the second candidate. What's your name?
Elias Kambafwire.
Elias Kambafwire. How long have you been driving?
15 years.
He's a veteran. Okay, we are going to follow the whistle instructions and just demonstrate how capable you can drive on the mountain.
All right, sir.
So here we go. Instructor Dennis Bwendia here, conducting these tests with instructor Matthews Chisha, and we have TBK management representatives and candidates competing for this. So here we blow the whistle. He is able to start without This is the testing ground hill. They call it Bwendia Hill, simply because the balancing, the place was identified by instructor Bwendia. That's where a lot of people fail to make it, because when you fail to balance, the perception is that you cannot drive on the mountains, because balancing goes together with the mountain. The other thing we see is whether the truck is able to start without going backwards. No tires are spinning. No spinning of tires. This is an assurance that this driver can drive through the mountains, and this is wonderful. And the second part, since we have seen the way he's coming, the way he's starting off, it doesn't spin the tires on the hill. So we are going to see how stable is able to control the truck. In case on the hill the traffic there suggests that he has to reverse, how best can he do it if the truck is loaded? Here we go. We're going to give him a signal for reversing. Just blowing off the whistle, the candidate is able to identify the difference. He's able to identify what is required. Some people are coming at high speed, even when there are traffic cones. Yeah, so here we go. He is another truck. I had to stop the truck. We drive under instruction because we have to give room to those that are using the road along Dangote Road here in Saiti. So you can see these are the drivers who purely demonstrate the skill And after this exercise, after passing, as we can confirm their passing, their qualification to be engaged by Dangote, we're going to put them in class, you know, doctrinating them. We're going to put them with our road safety doctrine to prepare them so they can get the lessons. There's a car, so they can get the lessons in professional truck driving, the Dangote syllabus. So the man has done a proper balancing. This is not very easy to some drivers. This is actually a part that many unprofessional truck drivers find difficult to do. So Mr. Kambafwire is now in exchanging to another person. Thank you very much, Mr. Kambafwire.
You're welcome, sir.
It's a wonderful demonstration. We look forward to other parts that are remaining. So you can see Mr. Kambafwire has just done the tremendous job. So we have another candidate. What's your name?
Marius Mugwagwa.
Huh?
Marius Mugwagwa.
Marius Mugwagwa. Mugwagwa. Okay. So Marius Mugwagwa is the one that is on the trip. So we're going to draw the whistle. So here we go. We're going to give him another trumpet to see if he is able to spin the tire. He spins a bit, just cruising. Most of the people who spin the tire are capable of breaking the propeller shafts when loaded and moving on the mountainous roads. So we're going to demonstrate again to check. The difference. The first driver did not spin the tires when starting off on the hill. This one is spinning many times. Let's check again. Let's check again. This time. Spinning, well, we'll see. Let's see how well we can drive, reverse the truck. If the truck was loaded, how best can you do it? Oh, it goes off. You see? Showing incapability, it cannot reverse. So this is where we catch. You can see. So this one is disqualified. He hit on this climbs on the stone. This is not good. It shows that he has been finding problems with driving. There was no need to do this. There was no need to do this. Definitely a disqualification. Next. What's your name? Huh?
Yes.
Let's go. You know what to do. You know the instructions. Okay, get to there. So, Njambashadi, for how long have you been driving?
About 7 years.
7 years. Follow the instructions, right? You follow the instructions, okay? We have put a traffic control. So this one definitely cannot do better. The one I've just disqualified. The track was going off. This one is now bringing the track into position. Now this one will go on reverse again to see how capable it is. So this boy, the boy who's just come out of, you see, this one is able to control the track. Yeah, this is where the other chap climbed here, all these issues, but this one seems is following the angles, is following the curve, you know, demonstrating that in situations where he has to go to back up on hill or mountain situations, he can be able to do that. You can see a TPK operations officer taking a video as well, probably for their management, and for their management report. And you can see. So for me, this is better. One part remaining. Oh, yes, the track is switched off, and when such things happens, it's because he did not use the clutch when stopping. He only stepped on the brake without stepping on the clutch, and the track switched off. He has switched it on. Mistakes can be made sometimes, and sometimes they can be tolerated depending on the situation. Here we go. Instructor Matthews Chisha talking to one of the candidates who has just successfully finished the thing. How the track is moving. he didn't do very well on the change down, but the balancing is impressive, and the reverse skills are definitely unquestionable. Now we see, is he able to spin the tires? Can he break the prop shaft when stuck on the mountain situation? How does he start the car? Let's go. Spins the tire. Wow. Can you goes and try again? You switched off the track when moving in such a direction. Can you test him again? Okay, he's got a problem with the clutch starvation. He switches off the track. Okay.